Hello food lovers and welcome to another custom grill video. This week we'll be grilling a petite tender steak with a great veggie side dish. This is an amazing Jack's Creek petite tender that I got from New Slovenian online meat shop. The link is in the description. All you have to do is to pat it dry and trim off all the silver skin and excess fat. Set up your grill for indirect grilling and let it get up to 200 degrees Celsius. While the grill is heating up, we can start working on our side dish. Slice in half some Brussels sprouts, and for the glaze, mix 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and some lemon juice. Grill the steak over indirect heat until it reaches 45 degrees Celsius. And in the meantime, heat up a cast iron pan. When the pan is hot enough, place Brussels sprouts in the pan and grill them. After a good 5 minutes, glaze them with our sauce and let them in the pan for 1 more minute. When the steak reaches 45 degrees Celsius, place it over direct heat and grill it for 1 minute per side. After grilling it, don't forget to let it rest for 5 minutes, and then you can slice it. Oh boy, this steak is so juicy, and really is one of the most tender steaks I've ever grilled. So this is it guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!